In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reactivate your QuickBooks Online subscription. Whether your subscription has been canceled or has simply expired, I'm going to walk you through all the steps you need to get everything back up and running smoothly. So, let's get started. To begin, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to QuickBooks Online. You can do this by typing in https intuit.com. This link will take you directly to the QuickBooks sign-in page. Now, at this point, you'll need to enter your credentials, which are typically your email and password, and then click on the sign-in button. It's important to double check your details here to avoid any sign-in issues, and if you've forgotten your password, don't worry, you can easily reset it by following the prompts provided on the screen. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll find yourself on the QuickBooks dashboard. This is your main hub, so take a moment to familiarize yourself if you haven't been here in a while. Look to the upper right corner of your screen and you'll see a little gear icon. This icon looks like a small wheel and is often referred to as the settings icon. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. Now that you're in the settings menu, focus on the section labeled Your Company. Within this section, you'll spot an option called Account and Settings. Click on this to continue. The Account and Settings area is vital as it allows you to manage and update key details about your account, so it's wise to get to know your way around here. Next, turn your attention to the left side of the screen where a series of tabs is located. Find the tab labeled Billing and Subscription and click on it. This is where all your essential subscription details live, including your plan specifics, billing, and payment information. In the event that your subscription has been canceled or expired, a button labeled Reactivate will appear. It's usually prominently displayed, so don't worry about missing it. Click that button to initiate the reactivation process. It is crucial at this point to confirm your payment info, ensure your credit card or other linked payment methods are up to date. Often there's an option to edit payment details directly in the system, so take a moment to verify everything is correct. If anything has changed, this is the perfect opportunity to update it. Once your payment information is squared away, you'll find an option to confirm or reactivate your subscription. Click this, and just like that, your QuickBooks Online subscription will be restored. And we're done. By following these steps, your QuickBooks Online account should now be fully active again. Thank you for watching, and if you need more help or have additional questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Happy bookkeeping!